somebody home. Know what I mean? Ha, it's not what it seems. I like to be driven and you like to drive. Let's go for a ride. Closer to me, getting ecstasy sounds that's still to me. You will be forgiven and say goodbye before we arrive. Say do 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 do. So give it a try. That's the only way to learn things in life. I love this journey, but I get lonely, so I leave this train. Walk on the railway, thinking where I feel the pain. I don't need a station for my final destination, but I'm a coward, damn. With such a confrontation could be a bad sensation. I'd better go home again.